Hi, welcome in WERK1, the most startup-friendly place in Munich. Today I have the pleasure to show you around our brand new event space. As you can see behind me, we have a 89-inch monitor installed with Apple TV, with Chrome, as well as with Digitus. Here where we are, we can place up to 120 seats, chairs for you, as well as we can have a combination of chairs together with high standing tables. Oh, and by the way, did I mention the beautiful view we have here with the Ferris wheel in Werksviertelmitte? Follow me, I'll show you around the other side of the event space. What is really nice about it is that we can separate it from this side by closing these doors, so you have your privacy there while we are preparing the catering for you over here. If you want to take a break after having lunch or breakfast, you can use our chill area to relax or even keep working whilst we're having a second monitor for you installed. If you have a private call and you need your quiet, we also have our phone box over here, or for those who they need the break and they're super active, they can also play football. If you're thirsty, every now and then you can join us at our bar where we can mix everything for you that your heart desires. Thank you, and I'm looking forward for your requests coming in this year. Have a good day and see you soon.